What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to download CapCut templates and use them in your own videos. CapCut templates are a fast and easy way to create stylish edits without having to build everything from scratch. To get started, open the CapCut app and head to the bottom menu bar. Tap on Templates. This section gives you access to thousands of pre-made video formats, complete with transitions, effects and synced music. To find a template that fits your project, use the search bar at the top. If you want to explore by category, tap the small arrow icon in the top right corner. This will expand the view and let you filter templates by categories. Once you find a template you like, tap on it. You will now see a preview of how the final video looks. If it fits your style, tap the Use Template button. CapCut will then ask you to select your own clips or photos to insert into the template. Choose your media, and the app will automatically apply the formatting, transitions and effects for you. Now, if you'd rather download the template directly to your device, tap the three dots at the bottom right corner of the template preview. This will bring up a Share To screen. From there, tap Save Video. CapCut will process and download the rendered video based on that template straight to your camera roll. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.